In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Revolve command. Revolve is just another way to make a solid object rather than using an extrude. It's for symmetrical objects. So what I'm going to do is turn this rectangle, which is an 1/8 of an inch wide and 3/4 inch tall, into a sort of donut shape, a cylindrical sleeve for a 3/4 inch shaft, some sort of bearing housing or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in REV, or I can type in Revolve. I'm selecting my object to revolve. Now you'll notice I do have a completely enclosed area that I'm going to revolve. If I try to revolve a single line, it'll give me a surface instead. And the same thing actually happens even if it appears to be enclosed. If you're revolving 4 separate lines that are not joined rather than one polyline, you'll get 4 surfaces with nothing in the middle. So since I'm trying to make a solid, I'm going to revolve one enclosed rectangle that's a polyline. So I'll hit enter. Now what I have to do is define my axis of revolution. So this is sort of the center line of where the object is going to be revolving around. So since I'm looking at a cross section here, this will be the top, this line here, and the bottom will be down here. I'm going to come over half of my distance from here, so I'll do an extension line. I'll extend over 3/8 of an inch, since that's half of 3/4, and that's what I want my inner diameter to be. And then I'll just make sure that it doesn't really matter what the length is. I'll just make sure that my axis of revolution is going straight up. So I'll click there. You can see it's starting to do something interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an angle that I want it to revolve. I want all the way around, so I want 360 degrees. Then I will change to view it as shaded with edges. And if I revolve myself around, we can see that my rectangle turned into this sleeve. So there you have it. There's another way to make a solid object. Rather than using an extrude, I used a revolution of a cross-section of this sleeve.